Everyone, this is Juan Roland Paulo Siquiambao from 10 Pascal, and today I will be explaining on the topic: Does poverty strip a person of their freedom? Imagine there is a room. When you enter it, poverty follows. But does that mean freedom leaves? That phrase has been on my mind for the past week. We humans think that freedom is about the choices we make, although there are factors that affect it. For example, if you live in poverty, choices are already decided for you, where it's more about survival rather than opportunities in life. But does that mean poverty strips away a person's freedom? Poverty does limit a person's options, but it doesn't erase their freedom to choose. It may dictate the what, but it can never dictate the how and why of a person's spirit. A lot of people have a misconception about freedom. It's not just about the money, but the power of the human spirit to choose and overcome challenges. This is the freedom to find joy in simple things, to maintain your dignity, and to hold on to hope in the face of hardship. It is based on the person whether they are poor or not on how will they face their challenges, what they believe in, and how they will treat others. It's the choice to extend kindness even when you feel like you have nothing to give. Nothing, not even large amounts of money, can take this away. Many people in poverty have incredible strengths and are able to show their creativity every day. All of us always have a choice. We should always, every day, choose things that would benefit ourselves and the people around us. The choice to work hard for a family, to make home beautiful with very little, or to find happiness in a simple moments are all acts of freedom. The freedom to love, to hope, and to hold on to your values. These characteristics are evidence that a spirit refuses to be broken or defined by its challenges. They are a demonstration of the importance of realizing one's freedom and not wasting it by making excuses. Every single day, we all have the ability to make the decision to pursue activities that are beneficial to both ourselves and the people in our immediate environment. This is a freedom that can never be taken away from you by anyone or anything.